Here's the thing.
Yeah.
You just
And let's work. More work means more.
so now the thing is when the feeling is
Yeah.
or it's just on the top.
Yeah.
So when I'm suspecting that the wires that run underneath are still okay. So anything that needs to be replaced is the ceiling.
Okay.
So now we just test it. It's okay.
Alright, sure. Brovski, how you doing, man? I'm speaking to Lebo. Grand, bro. Yeah. What's up? What's happening? Okay, so the guys from the ceiling today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they wanted 2K.
They want 2K? Nah, it's not bad.
No, I told them 1.5.
Ah, that's how I know you. That's how I know you. What did they say? What did they say? What did they say?
No, I'm on the way right now to go buy
Okay.
some stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those off-cuts,
Yeah.
did they come in handy?
They're going to work.
Yeah.
They're going to work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the ceiling guys, right? Are you happy with the electrical work that's been done there?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. How many extra globes did they put outside?
Not extra, but there's one at the bedroom.
Yeah.
There's the spotlight.
Yeah.
Then there's one there by the kitchen.
Yeah. So he just put in one additional there.
Yeah.
Fair enough. That's lighting. And then when it comes to the doors, bro.
Yeah, that's a flop.
That's a flop.
It doesn't stick to the man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't stick to the man.
Okay.
And so I wanna ask these guys the ceiling, but are they able to cut?
Yeah. Please ask them. Man.
So the situation right now. So I'm going to buy some stuff.
Okay.
Go kind of.
Yeah.
So that by the time I leave, I know that everybody's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we've got a viewing today, bro.
For viewing.
Yeah, in terms of Crystal Heights, I'm not gonna be able to do it, bro, because you've got the key.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in Constantia, Roadport, and you're in Carltonville.
Yeah.
Like, that's far, bro. Can you hear my heartbeat from there?
I'm driving right now.
Okay. No. Let's speak totally irrelevant. Tomorrow we've got another viewing, right? To go close to Clearwater. So I think Clearwater.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do that, and also that viewing Yahoo tomorrow then. So, because the viewing is around about 5 o'clock.
Sure.
Right.
Yeah, that's okay.
Happy Monday, bro.
I'll give them a call for that.
Yeah.
Please. When I get to kind of.
Yeah, so you know what we can do also, please just buzz me so that I can get the contacts of everybody that you call, so that I can start with the placements and closing those guys, man. That we need to push in terms of the people that have already viewed that property in Florida. So what I'm asking is that if I can call you maybe after an hour or something, so you can give me the numbers of everybody and I can start closing, because man, it seems as if we're going to need more tenants in that block of flats.
Sure, that's perfect.
Okay, can you please do that for me?
Okay.
It feels weird when we're not together, man.
Yeah.
It feels weird when we're not together.
Hey, bro.
Alright,
Sure.
Sure. So it's a Monday, and we're doing a whole lot of catching up, and let's get the ball rolling, man. Let's help people get tenants. Let's help people evict tenants. Let's help people manage properties. Let's help people fix their properties. That's what we do in Best Like a Pro.
Hey there guys, today man, my outfit is bad. Let me just turn off the sound. My outfit is bad because it's really sunny, and I thought it was going to be cold, but it's really sunny. But anyways, today I'm here at Active Build. I'm going to collect something. so that the guys can actually start with the plumbing. Then once they are done with the plumbing, I think if they can just install the ceiling. So that's the two things that we're doing. I want you guys to remember, right, when you do go into the property investing industry, the thing about it is that you don't just and then the property is in good condition. It's small wins until you are done. At the end of the project, that's when you're like, I'm actually done right now. But before that, there's still those minor things that you still need to be doing. So today we are just finishing up because the electricity is actually back on. The electric guy is done. So now today I'm going to be collecting the guy that works with plumbing and then also the guy that works with the ceiling. Get that done and then we're done with this project, man. Invest like a pro with no wealth. Cheers.
A few moments later.
I know, guys, the jacket or the jersey was too much now. It was becoming too much because like today it's sunny, guys. But yeah, the guys that are going to be fixing us, that are going to be helping us with the ceiling boards are the ones that I just showed you right now. So right now I'm just on the way to wait for them so that they can just get one of their tools and then we are on the way. So we have the ceiling boards over here and we have some of them that are still at home or at the house. Listen to me saying home, at the house. So yeah, guys, tune in, man. It's fine. Cheers.
अभी किधर होते हैं
क्यों नहीं
साइड फ्लैश
Huh? Okay, so we have everything that we need and now I'm on the way back home to go drop off these things so that the guys can continue working. The guys at the house are busy. They are busy with the ceiling and I was just busy buying the material and now I'm like going back. Yeah, today was a long day, man. Today was a long day. We were able to cover the stuff that we needed to cover for the day. The guys were left at the property and we have someone that's living at the property, so they are the ones that will be our eyes and ears when we are not there. So they are the ones that are going to be checking if the guys did a good job. If number two, they are actually done with the job that they're supposed to be doing. So they know what needs to be done at the property and what we require from them. So yeah, man, let's get this property out of the way so that we can be on the next year. Invest like a pro with no wealth.